Here's how you can give Claude Code, Codex, Cursor, or any coding agent of your choice the ability to deploy your app, and it's by using the Railway Agent skill. All you need to do is install it once. You can do it by running npx skills add railway app / railway skills. I'll leave a link down below. And this will take you through a setup experience where you'll see that we found one skill. This skill is called Use Railway, and it makes it possible to create projects, deploy apps, services, databases, pull in the necessary information to troubleshoot issues. And all you need to do is just set it up, and it will handle all the things that need to be set up. And it's asking us, which agents do you want to install the skill to? And by default, the universal location is under .agents/skills. And if you want to specify a specific coding agent, you can just select it and you can hit space to select it. So I'm going to hit enter. And you have the option between a global installation so that this skill is available across all projects, or if you want it to be scoped to the current directory, you just choose the project option. I'm going to go with global. And for the installation method, you can just use symlink, which means you have a single source of truth that acts as a reference. If it changes, all of the changes will propagate to other locations. And then now it's asking us to proceed with installation. We're going to choose yes, and that's really it. Now, if we go to an app like Codex, for example, this is my coding agent of choice for the day. They actually have a skills tab where you can see all of the skills that you have installed. And for me, I have here the Use Railway skill. You can see all of the details about the skill and what it does, and you can just click try, and it will be added to the text input here. Now, I already imported a project that's called demo, and this is just a hello world project using Bun. It's like a full stack app. There is a front end and a back end, and all I need to do is just ask Codex to deploy my project. Now, even if I hadn't specified the Use Railway skill, Codex would have been able to dynamically pull in the skill because it knows like, oh, I want to deploy something. Let me use the Use Railway skill. And now we're just going to let it run. It's going to check that we have everything set up correctly. So like if this is your first time using Railway, you'll just need to have the Railway CLI installed, Cloud Code, Codex, or whatever. They can install it for you. And then you'll just need to log in because then we'll be able to deploy in your account. So you can see here, it's running a bunch of commands. Pre-flight is good. And it's just going to figure out everything on its own. So I'm just going to give it a couple minutes. And in the end, I should have a live app that I can visit. And we'll see if, things work as planned. So now the app is actually done, and it's saying that everything has completed successfully, and it's saying no public domain is attached yet. If you want, I can add a railway domain. So let's say add it, and then it will be able to just make my app public and we can visit it. Now it's using the skill again, and it generated a domain for me. So now we just need to wait for the response, and we're going to have a link and we can check the actual app and see if everything works as expected. And we're good. We see we now have a domain. If we visit it, our app is live. Now, this is an app that has both a front end and a back end. If I click send, I get a response back. But what's pretty awesome is the fact that, the Codex figured out pretty much everything on its own. And that's thanks to the Railway Agent skill. So, that's really all you need to do. You just set it up once, regardless of whatever coding agent of your choice. It should just work. And once you set it up, you now have, you could take all of the code that the agents generate and you can actually have a live app. Now, if you have any questions, run into any issues, feel free to reach out. You can also leave a link down below for the actual skill so you can install it. And with that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.